Hello and welcome. Chapter number 3. Our main aim is to install demo application without Docker Compose. We have to have one multi-container application that we are going to deploy, but this time we are not going to deploy this using Docker Compose. Why? Because I want you to understand that what will happen if you are not going to use Docker Compose. Now, before I am going to start lab of this particular topic, I want you to understand which kind of application we are going to install. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about application that we are going to install in our Docker environment. So here, we are going to use one CloudFolks HUB demo application. This application demonstrates how to set up multi-container web application initially without Docker Compose and then using Docker Compose for orchestration. In this application, we have mainly 3 containers. As I explain you that we are actually deploying 2-tier web application. We have one database tier in which we are using MySQL database, and in the front end we are using PHP web application. Here, when you will open this application will ask you to enter first name, last name and email. Now all these details that we are getting from our user, we are storing them into the MySQL database. So here we are going to start introduction with MySQL database, then we will talk about adminer and then PHP web application. Here, MySQL database. MySQL is an open source relational database management system. It is used to store user data submitted through the PHP web application. Here, we will create one DB container which is going to store data. This DB container will be MySQL database. Main purpose is to provide persistent data store for the application. Whatever the data that we are getting from the user using this PHP web application page, we will store them permanently inside MySQL database. The database is initialized with the table to store the user information. So we have one container, we call it DB container. The DB container will use MySQL database. Inside this, we will store all the data. Then we have another container, we call it adminer. Now adminer is actually tool. Adminer is a fully featured database management tool written in PHP. It is lightweight alternative of PHP MyAdmin. You know, when we will use database, we want to verify that yes, we are actually storing data inside this database, how many records we have inside the table, all that we can find out using a graphical user interface tool adminer. Specifically, we are using this adminer tool over here to manage this MySQL database.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.